So I was out here cleaning out my shed, and I found this toolbox that I thought might make a good barbecue grill. So let's check it out, see if it works. There it is. It's just an old Craftsman toolbox here, rusted out. Wasn't going to use it for anything else, but I have a vision. First, we're gonna have to clean it up. Gonna have to get all this paint off, get some of that rust out of there. Then we'll see how it goes. So it doesn't look like the pressure washer is taking much of that off, but I think what I'll do first is I'll run some coal through there and see what burns off. Found this grill off a different barbecue that I no longer use. I'm gonna see if I can cut that to fit. It's almost exact width match. And then I need to find something to put on the bottom to elevate the coals a little bit off of that rusted out bottom there. Let me see what I can find. Alright, so I cut this piece off of here. It's a little grill topper thing that I found in the yard. So I can use this upside down on the bottom. That should elevate the charcoal and get some airflow underneath. I cut this little piece of scrap metal that I found. Fits perfect right there to support the grill, which also fits perfectly right there. And then I think I'm going to use the tool tray here for accessories. So it looks like everything should be able to fit down inside here for the most part. Accessories on top. Good to go. Let's try it out, see what happens. Just drill some air holes in this first. Just gonna use some cheap wood at first. See if we could burn off some of this paint and chemicals here before we start really grilling. It's been burning for about 25 minutes now, so I think I'm gonna close this up so I could kill the stuff on the top too. Looks like some of the paint's burning off on the outside. I'm pretty sure everything on the inside is going to be burnt out. See what happens. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this plastic handle here is going to melt off too. Should have took that off before I started this, but I wasn't thinking. I'm going to have to replace that with a wooden handle. So it looks like everything burnt out pretty good. The only thing that I'm concerned about is this piece right here. It looks like a lot of the paint was burning off of this, so I'm going to go ahead and sand this down before I put any food on this thing. Let's do that right now. So I ground down all that paint and gave it a quick sand over, so it looks a lot better now. So I'm going to throw some charcoal in here, heat this thing up. We'll throw some meat on there, see how it cooks. Here goes nothing. Gonna throw on some chuck steaks, some marinated Dios Mio, see how it turns out. try this out. Fucking delicious. Cheers.